fascinating koala bear secrets unveiled. Koalas, often mistaken for bears due to their cuddly appearance, are actually marsupials native to Australia. This distinction places them in a unique category of mammals that carry their young in a pouch. Unlike bears, koalas have adapted to an arboreal lifestyle, spending most of their time in eucalyptus trees. Their diet is almost exclusively eucalyptus leaves, consuming up to 1 pound daily. This specialized diet has evolved over time, allowing koalas to digest the toxic and fibrous leaves, which most other animals cannot. This adaptation showcases their unique place in the ecosystem, relying on a food source that is abundant yet challenging to utilize. Koalas lead a remarkably low-energy lifestyle, which is reflected in their sleep patterns. They can sleep for up to 18 to 22 hours a day, a necessity to conserve energy due to their nutrient-poor diet. This extensive resting period is crucial for their survival, allowing them to process the toxic eucalyptus leaves efficiently. One of the most fascinating aspects of koalas is their unique nose pattern. Much like human fingerprints, no two koalas have the same nose pattern. This feature not only adds to their individuality but also serves a practical purpose, enhancing their sense of smell, which is vital for selecting the most nutritious eucalyptus leaves. Despite their gentle appearance, koalas have a smooth brain, which limits their ability to perform complex tasks. This simplicity in brain structure contributes to their docile nature, focusing their energy on basic survival tasks such as eating, sleeping, and reproducing. This characteristic has endeared them to many, symbolizing a peaceful existence in tune with nature. Koalas boast an extraordinary adaptation that sets them apart in the animal kingdom, 2 opposable thumbs on each of their front paws. This unique feature significantly enhances their grip, allowing them to navigate the lofty heights of eucalyptus trees with remarkable ease and agility, securing their position as adept climbers in the Australian bush. Their communication skills are equally fascinating, employing a range of vocalizations that extend beyond the cute and cuddly image often associated with them. From deep, resonant belches to snoring sounds, these vocal cues play a critical role in koala interactions, signaling everything from territorial claims to readiness for mating. At birth, koala joeys are incredibly vulnerable, born blind and earless, and are no larger than a jelly bean. This early stage of life sees them completely reliant on their mother's pouch, where they remain securely tucked away for about 6 months, gradually developing the features and fur that characterize these adorable marsupials. The nurturing pouch is more than just a haven for the developing joey. It serves as a crucial incubator where the baby koala, or joey, undergoes significant growth. From a tiny, underdeveloped creature, the joey emerges with the beginnings of the distinct koala features, preparing it for the next phase of life outside the pouch. Koalas have evolved a specialized cecum, a unique feature of their digestive system, enabling them to detoxify and digest the eucalyptus leaves that make up their diet. This adaptation is vital, considering the toxic nature of their primary food source, allowing koalas to thrive on a diet that would be lethal to many other species. Koalas have an exceptional ability to hydrate themselves through their diet, primarily consisting of eucalyptus leaves. This unique adaptation means they seldom need to drink water, relying on the moisture content of the leaves to fulfill their hydration needs. It's a remarkable survival strategy in the often arid Australian landscape. The distinctive, deep vocalizations of koalas stem from a specialized vocal organ not found in other marsupials. This organ allows them to produce sounds that can carry over long distances, facilitating communication across the eucalypt forest. It's a vital tool for establishing territory and attracting mates during the breeding season. Solitude is a way of life for koalas, with each adult claiming its own range within the eucalypt forests. These solitary creatures prefer to avoid the company of others outside of the mating season, marking trees with scent glands to communicate their presence and maintain personal space. Eucalyptus leaves, the primary food source for koalas, are notoriously low in nutrition. This dietary limitation has shaped the koala's evolution, resulting in a slower metabolism that perfectly matches their low-energy lifestyle. It's an elegant example of an organism adapting to make the most out of limited resources. Koalas have evolved to spend the majority of their lives perched on tree branches, thanks to fur-covered bottoms that act as natural cushions. This adaptation not only provides comfort but also aids in preventing injury from long periods of sitting, highlighting the koala's remarkable specialization for a life spent aloft in the trees. Koalas are remarkable creatures with the potential to live up to 2 decades in the wild. However, their longevity is often compromised by threats such as predators, diseases, and accidents. Despite their resilience and adaptability, achieving this age is rare due to the numerous challenges they face in their natural habitat. Previously, the hunting of koalas for their thick, soft fur led to a drastic decline in their population. This dark period in history saw the koala numbers plummet, pushing the species towards the brink of extinction. It was a grim reminder of the impact human activities can have on wildlife. In response to the alarming decrease in koala populations, protective laws were enacted. These regulations have played a pivotal role in conserving koalas, ensuring they are no longer hunted and providing a legal framework to safeguard their future. Yet, these measures alone are not enough to secure their survival. The biggest challenge koalas face today is habitat destruction. Urban expansion, agriculture, and forestry practices have severely fragmented their living spaces, making it increasingly difficult for them to find food, mates, and shelter. This ongoing loss of habitat is a dire threat that overshadows their existence. Despite the protective laws in place, koalas continue to struggle. The fragmentation of their habitats not only makes it hard for them to thrive, but also exposes them to more dangers from both humans and other animals. Without significant intervention and conservation efforts, the future of koalas remains uncertain. Koalas are skilled climbers, thanks to their strong, sharp claws which are essential for gripping onto the rough barks of trees. These claws are not just for climbing, they also play a crucial role in holding onto branches securely, allowing koalas to navigate their arboreal world with ease and confidence. As quintessential symbols of Australia, koalas significantly contribute to the country's tourism industry. Their adorable appearance and unique behaviors draw visitors from around the globe, eager to catch a glimpse of these fascinating creatures in their natural habitat. This not only boosts local economies, but also raises awareness about wildlife conservation. Despite their protected status, koalas face ongoing challenges due to habitat destruction. Urban expansion, agricultural development, and forestry practices have fragmented their living spaces, making it harder for them to find food and mate. Conservation efforts are vital to safeguard these habitats and ensure koalas have a secure future. Koalas possess a remarkable ability to swim, a fact that surprises many. While they spend most of their life in trees and seem to have little need for water, they can take to swimming if necessary. However, their lifestyle and diet typically keep them far from water, making swimming a rare sight. The term a koala bear is a common misnomer that has persisted over the years, despite koalas being marsupials, not bears. This misunderstanding likely stems from their cuddly bear-like appearance, but it's important to recognize their distinct biological classification to appreciate and understand their unique characteristics and needs fully. Koalas possess a slow reproduction rate, a trait that adds to their vulnerability. Females typically birth 1 joey per annum, a rhythm dictated by their energy-intensive eucalyptus diet and a lifestyle that conserves energy. This limited reproductive capacity makes population recovery a slow process, especially after threats such as habitat destruction or disease outbreaks. In the wild, koalas face predation from natural adversaries, including large birds of prey, snakes, and dingoes. These predators primarily target the more vulnerable members of the population, such as young joeys or sick koalas. This natural predation adds another layer of challenge to the koala's survival, alongside human-induced threats. Koalas have evolved a unique physical adaptation to aid in their eucalyptus leaf diet, a specialized lip. This feature enables them to grasp and chew the tough leaves efficiently, maximizing the extraction of nutrients from their limited diet. This adaptation showcases the koala's remarkable evolution tailored to their specific ecological niche. Despite their slow and cautious movements, koalas can exhibit surprising speed when threatened. This ability to move quickly is a crucial survival mechanism, allowing them to escape predators or dangers in their environment. However, their general preference for conserving energy means such bursts of speed are used sparingly. The color of a koala's fur varies from light gray to brown, reflecting an adaptation to their diverse habitats across Australia. This variation not only provides camouflage within their environment but also plays a role in thermoregulation, helping these marsupials to manage the heat and cold within their forest homes. Koalas boast a thick woolly fur that serves as their natural armor against the elements. This dense coat provides insulation, keeping them comfortable in both the scorching heat and chilly temperatures. This adaptability ensures koalas can thrive in the varied climates of their Australian homeland, from coastal islands to forested hinterlands. Remarkably, koalas can consume eucalyptus leaves that are toxic to many animals, thanks to their specialized digestive systems. This unique adaptation allows them to detoxify the harmful chemicals found in their primary food source. It's a fascinating example of evolution tailoring a species perfectly to its environment. Urbanization and road construction pose significant threats to koala populations. As their natural habitats are fragmented by human development, koalas are forced into closer contact with dangers such as vehicles and domestic pets. This encroachment not only disrupts their living spaces but also makes it harder for them to find food and mates. Despite their cute appearance, koalas have a relatively small brain for their body size. This aspect of their biology contributes to their calm and solitary nature, making them less capable of complex problem solving. However, it also means they expend less energy on brain function, aligning with their low-energy lifestyle. Koalas face numerous challenges, but urbanization stands out as a particularly insidious threat. Roads and buildings encroach upon their territory, leading to habitat loss and fragmentation. These changes not only make it difficult for koalas to find food and shelter but also increase their risk of encounters with humans and vehicles, exacerbating their struggle for survival. Koalas, primarily silent creatures, break their silence during the mating season when males emit a surprisingly loud call. This deep, bellowing sound serves as a beacon to females and a warning to rival males, showcasing a fascinating aspect of their behavior that contradicts their usually quiet nature. For generations, these iconic Australian marsupials have exhibited a remarkable loyalty to their habitats, often inhabiting the same trees their ancestors did. This deep-rooted connection to their home territory underscores the importance of preserving their natural environment, as it's not just a place they live but a legacy they inherit. Koalas demonstrate an adaptable approach to their habitats, utilizing a variety of tree species beyond the eucalyptus. This flexibility in habitat selection is crucial for their survival, especially as they face the challenges of changing environments. By not limiting themselves to a single source, they showcase a resilience that is admirable. The emotional capacity of koalas is often underestimated. They can express a range of emotions, from joy to distress, through different sounds. These vocalizations add depth to their character, revealing that there's more to these creatures than their sleepy demeanor and cuddly appearance suggest. Conservation efforts for koalas are more critical than ever, as they face threats from habitat loss, disease, and climate change. Protecting these unique animals and their habitats is essential for ensuring their survival for future generations. By understanding and supporting these efforts, we can help preserve the rich biodiversity that koalas contribute to our world.